In a previous video, I showed you how to create a scan in Azure Data Lake Gen 2, but maybe when we talk about Data Lake, it could be better to scope the scan. Actually, scope a scan, it's to allow you to scan just a specific zone of your data sources. So of course, you need to double check if the connector support scoping scan. And if it's the case, that it's a good option to create several zones, scanning zone, and to send the result of this zone, of the scope scan, in a specific collection. We just introduced a new button here as a preview function to allow you to add future asset automatically during the scan. And be careful about permission in your collection, especially if you want to perform a scan in a restricted permission collection. And of course, you have all information right over there. But I think it will be better to show that in action. So here, I am in the Purview portal, and you have to go in the data map. In the data map, so click on data sources, and go here in your data lake. So what you can do, what we did previously in another video, we just did a regular scan. But here now, we create a new scan, and we will scope it. So when you scope a scan, my recommendation is to have a good convention name, especially when you will have many scans. It will be easier for you to retrieve the scan if you would like to perform some maintenance or change in this scan. So here I would like to scan the public zone for concert, for instance. And here I can choose the collection. So here I've got my concert collection. So collection concert. So I select this one. And then I click on continue. And here I am in the scope option because the connector support this feature. So what I would like to do is to go on my public zone in my data lake. So here I use public and sensible, but it could be also bronze, silver, and gold if you want. And here I just select concept. So now click on continue. Again, you can pick your scan rule set. You can decide if you would like something recurring or just once, and click on continue. And now save and run. So now we can repeat this step for another zones in my data lake. So do it for the sensible information. So here I click a new scan. I can call it now sensible concert and pick the sensible collection for concert. But maybe here there is no sensible collection. It's not there. But if you remember correctly, if I go back on my domains, the collection is there. So remember what we did in the previous video. If you click on the collection and go on roles assignment, you can see here that we restrict inherited permissions. So when you do that, you remove all permission except, of course, the collection admin. So it means here, on data source admin, you need to add the user who need to perform the scan. So add the user here, click OK. And now go back to data sources. So I forgot to mention, you can toggle at any time between map view or table view. Okay, so now let's try to perform a new scan. And now double check the collection and boom, here we go. We got the concert sensible. So select your collection, continue, and again, now it's the same configuration. So now scope the scan, go on sensible, concert, continue, the scan rule set, the trigger, and click on continue on 700. So what you can do if you want to check your scans, of course, you can click here on view details and you can see all applied scans. And you can also go here in monitoring to see the number of the scan, to have graphics, but honestly, I prefer to go in view details to have this kind in view if I want to have an overview of all my running scans. So it should take a few minutes and I will show you the result after the scans. So here what you can see, I created more scans, more scope scans. So you can see that I did that for concert, movie, on sales for both public and sensible. And if I go back to monitoring, I can see all my scans running and I can go here on view details to have a global view. So in a few minutes, I should get the result of my scans and I will show you that when all the scans will be performed. So now that all my scans are performed, I can go back here in my domains and just to show you, if I go here in concert, I will have some assets like this. I can continue to navigate on concert sensible. Now I've got 3 assets and so on and so on. So from the same data source with the scope can, I was able to dispatch my asset to a different collection according my needs or maybe the sensibility of the information.